With malicious hacker attacks occurring every 39 seconds, affecting close to 70% of small businesses, and worldwide losses in the trillions of dollars, knowing how to prevent, detect, and respond to an attack is vital. The Certified Incident Handling Engineer course from Mile2 is an in-depth training that teaches the approaches used by hackers, the latest attack vectors, and how to implement safeguards against those attacks. This must-have course for any member of a prevention team in cybersecurity is available as a live class or learn-at-your-own-pace ultimate self-study combo. Upon completion, you will be ready for the CIHE certification exam and will be able to develop start-to-finish processes for preventing and recovering from various attacks. Learn how to become an essential part of an internet security team with the accredited CIHE certification from Mile2.